Are you a health enthusiast, a dedicated Weight Watcher, or simply a smoothie lover looking for a powerful transformation? Get ready to discover how the 21-day smoothie diet can revolutionize your journey to a healthier, lighter you. This isn't just a diet, it's a complete lifestyle reset. Imagine shedding unwanted pounds and boosting your energy, all while enjoying delicious, nutrient-packed meals. The 21-day smoothie diet is a meticulously crafted plan designed to help you achieve significant weight loss by replacing 2 daily meals with invigorating smoothies. It's a simple, effective strategy for calorie reduction and increased nutrient intake. This program isn't about deprivation, it's about smart nutrition. Each day, you'll enjoy 1 regular low-calorie meal and 2 satisfying low-calorie snacks, ensuring you stay fueled and focused. For an accelerated start, some plans even offer an optional 3-day detox, replacing all 3 meals with smoothies to kickstart your metabolism. The heart of this diet lies in its incredible 36 recipes, bursting with fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. These aren't just any smoothies. They are carefully balanced concoctions designed for maximum impact. You'll find yourself craving these delicious blends, packed with wholesome ingredients. Expect to blend vibrant leafy greens like spinach and kale with low-sugar fruits such as berries and kiwi, providing a powerful antioxidant punch. Protein sources like Greek yogurt and quality protein powder ensure muscle maintenance and satiety. Healthy fats from avocado, chia seeds, and nut butters keep you feeling full and satisfied. Liquid bases like almond milk and coconut water create the perfect consistency, while flavor boosters like cinnamon, ginger, and cacao add delightful twists. Imagine a green power smoothie with spinach, banana, and avocado, or a berry protein blast featuring mixed berries and flaxseed. These recipes make healthy eating an absolute joy. The 21-day smoothie diet offers more than just recipes. It's a complete support system. You receive detailed meal plans, convenient shopping lists, and ongoing guidance to keep you on track. This holistic approach is designed to not only help you lose weight, but also cultivate sustainable, healthier eating habits for life. This program is a game changer for anyone serious about their health and weight loss goals. It simplifies healthy eating, making it accessible and enjoyable, even for the busiest schedules. Embrace this opportunity to transform your body and mind. Ready to experience the incredible benefits of the 21-day smoothie diet and finally achieve your weight loss dreams? Don't wait another moment to invest in your health and happiness. Click the link in the video description right now to gain instant access to the complete 21-day diet smoothie program and start your amazing transformation today.